Founded in 1941, MSC builds on a rich history of commitment to manufacturing with customers big and small. Our goal is to drive results for their businesses, from keeping operations running efficiently today to continuously rethinking, retooling, and optimizing for a more productive tomorrow. We create innovative and technology-based solutions to provide a meaningful impact to manufacturing and our world. Our goal is to become our customers' trusted advisor, which entails all of our MSC associates partnering together in order to accomplish something much greater than any single one of us can accomplish alone. MSC is a Fortune 1000 company with annual revenue of more than $3.3 billion. That is a healthy indicator that our customers trust our experienced, diverse population of more than 6,200 associates who are committed to helping solve manufacturing's biggest challenges. Our customers range from small machine shops to mid-sized manufacturers, all the way through to global, world-class companies such as Kraft Heinz Food and even SpaceX. So how do we solve manufacturers' biggest challenges? Our sales associates and application specialists play key roles that align our customers with key products and solutions to drive productivity, innovation, and sustainability. This process helps produce the products you and I use every single day. Yes, even the device you are using to watch this video right now. MSC works diligently to earn the trust of our customers. One way we do that is through helping them optimize their manufacturing process. For example, if a customer is attempting to work with a tough-to-manufacture material, our sellers partner with MSC application specialists to ensure that the customer is using the most optimal tool and running parameters for that material. They then work directly with the customer care team to ensure the correct tool is in stock and ready to ship. That customer care team is directly tied to sales, service, and distribution, the cornerstone of our business. Our team is dedicated to helping both our customers and sellers find the products and innovations that are most effective for the application. They assist with many things that make this happen, from checking inventory and creating quotes, to entering the order so that one of our many distribution centers can pick, pack, and ship the item the same day, ensuring the product arrives at our customer's facility so they do not skip a beat. MSC is an exciting place to work. We contribute to a healthy manufacturing economy and play a critical role in its success. We assist our partners by providing them the best products available to improve their manufacturing processes. We play a major role with thousands of customers across North America. You can join us as we work with these customers each day, directly impacting products and services that drive U.S. manufacturing throughout every conceivable industry. Your efforts on the team will continue building on our story of innovation, increased productivity, and improved sustainability. For more information about internships and careers at MSC, visit us at mscdirect.com/careers.